So I just thought I would go through my packing list for the Camino. I'll start over this side. So starting off with a lightweight Sierra Designs backpack, the flex capacitor 40 to 60 litre there. I've gone for the Salomon Elixir GTX Mid because I've got slightly damaged foot with plantar fasciitis. I found these to aid it because they've got a curved bottom. I've got a sun hat and a warmer waterproof windproof hat. A pair of sunglasses, carbon fibre black diamond walking poles, toilet bag, navigation, a map and a compass, a massage ball for my foot, eye mask and earplugs. I've got in here, we've got a repair kit for bits and my Kindle at the top. In this one, big blue, we've got clothing, so merino, base layers, t-shirts, hoodies, underwear, trunks, shorts, mountain trousers for hiking, etc. So some of that I'll be wearing when I start, but it's in there to get out there. In red I have all the sleeping gear, so Sierra Design sleeping bag. I have a Sea to Summit pillow. I have a sleeping bag liner and a mattress bed bug cover just in case. I've got socks, merino socks. I've got a black diamond ultralight head torch, my Victorinox Swiss Army knife, larger one. Got some loo roll, got a hand sanitizer in here, ibuprofen and paracetamol, and then extended medical stuff. In yellow I have warm stuff, so there's a Rab Microlight Alpine jacket and some sealskin gloves, a packet of playing cards, glow stick, pack liner. I've got some sandals which can double up, I can walk in them if I need to. I've got a notepad with a biro and a Sharpie. I've got a compass, I've got a padlock. I've got mounted Kendall mint cake just in case. I had it in my cupboard anyway. In here is waterproof, so PhD Alpha Mayo and some mountain equipment trousers. In the top is the electronic stuff. It's going in an event compression bag, so I've got a power bank, cables, and a Samsung SSD hard drive because I'm going to be taking my iPhone 15 and I'm going to record footage straight onto there. At the top we got some cheap lightweight lamps and some cheap headphones, first aid kit, foot care. I've got two ultra lightweight towels. I've got a plastic spork and a plastic mug. I did buy titanium, but they were actually heavier. I've got very little ultra lightweight backpack just to take on the plane, and if I go shopping I'll have a poncho, a Sea to Summit poncho. There's some tissues, my Nalgene water bottle, and that is it, hopefully. I've got to get some sun cream in there, but that should be it.